Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market, and I'm going to share with you what I see on the chart. Stay with me, let's check them out. Today we are going to start with the total market cap on the cryptocurrency. Actually, the crucial resistance we were looking for several days now is breaking to the upside. It is so bullish for all the cryptocurrencies. All the cryptocurrency actually at the moment they are in green and they are still pushing to the upside. Now what we can see in here, the next resistance we have got is the 78% of the Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high we have got in 2017. Because actually there is no more major resistance for the total market cap of the cryptocurrency. I'm expecting actually after this one, which is broken and with a really big green daily candle, we have got two of them actually. I'm expecting the next resistance is going to be the all-time high for the crypto currencies, which is about a 720, approximately $20 billion for all the total market cap. And now if we go on the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, actually what we can see in here, the major resistance we have got about $208 billion is broken as well on the total market cap without Bitcoin. And the next resistance we have got is going to be around the $252 billion. And after that actually is going to be the 61% of the Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high we had in 2017. The thing is, at the moment, I think they are the people who spend the money actually on the gold and silver, they are selling them, and I think they are investing on cryptocurrency. What we can see in here, I told you yesterday, if gold actually breaks the downside of 1825, I'm expecting a really bearish sign for gold. I'm expecting gold is going to downside till about a 1570. Now what is happening at the moment, actually gold is making a lower low to this side. What do we have in here? Now gold is actually going to the downside and silver is actually following gold as well. I'm expecting silver to make a push to the downside one more time, which is going to be around this percentage we have got in here. From here to here is going to be around the 20% on silver to the downside, and what we can see in here maybe around the 18 or to 20% to the downside again. But the thing is, which is bullish at the moment, is S&P 500. As you can see on the chart, is really bullish S&P 500 because I think it's because of the vaccine of coronavirus, which they are producing it and they are sending it to the all over the globe. And what we can see in here, Nasdaq actually is really bullish as well. Is if Nasdaq break to the upside about 12,160, after that I'm going to be really bullish on Nasdaq as well. I'm expecting Nasdaq to make a really powerful bullish sign to the upside. Let's go on the Bitcoin. Actually what we can see in here, Bitcoin, as I have told you yesterday as well for several days, I'm talking about this one. This resistance we had actually in the past, which was about the 17,725, now is broken, is working as a really good support for Bitcoin. Now this one, which I've told you, which was about the $19,200, is breaking as well to the upside, and I think it's easy for Bitcoin to break this one. And the next resistance we have got is going to be around the $20,500 or maybe around the 21k. On the next chart, if I'm showing it to you, I have talked about this one for several times. I think Bitcoin is going to be really bullish because if I go on the 4-hour time frame, what I can show you actually, I've been talking about this ascending broadening wedge for like several days. What we can see in here, it looks like Bitcoin is really bullish because if we check in here, actually Bitcoin is playing inside this small channel we have got in here and this ascending channel, and what we can see is trying to break to the upside. If Bitcoin break this area, which is about $19,600, if Bitcoin break $19,600 to the upside is going to be really bullish, and I'm expecting after that to Bitcoin at least going to $23,000, and the parabolic sign of that one is going to be around the $30,000. If Bitcoin can break this one to the upside, which is this broadening wedge, the upper line of this broadening wedge, which you can see it on the chart with the orange lines. Actually, if Bitcoin break this area to the upside, I'm expecting a really parabolic run to the upside from Bitcoin, at least to be around the $23,000. It is really important because for several times, as you can see on the chart, for several times actually on the 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin tried to break this resistance to the upside, and it got failed and went back to the downside. And now this is the first time actually Bitcoin, for the 3 times before Bitcoin got failed, now is trying to break this one to the upside. If this one, which is about $19,600, break to the upside, I'm expecting a really massive move to the upside on Bitcoin. And the next chart I can show you, if I go back on the daily time frame, I have told you actually we have got the channel on Bitcoin, as you can see on the chart. I told you the middle line on this channel is actually was working as a resistance, now is working as a really good support for Bitcoin. I told you yesterday, if Bitcoin break the 18,750 is going to be the next resistance. Next resistance is going to be around the $20,000 for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin actually can break $20,000 to the upside, the next resistance I'm expecting is going to be around the $23,000 for Bitcoin. If I show you this chart as well, actually this resistance, as I have told you, is working at the moment. This line, this yellow line, is working as a resistance for Bitcoin at the moment. Maybe Bitcoin is going to be struggling to break this one to the upside, which is about the $19,200 for now. 19,200 and maybe till 300 is actually working as a resistance for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin break $19,300, the next one is going to be around the $19,600, as I explained to you just now, which is going to be around the 161% of the Fibonacci extension. And after that, the next one is going to be around the $20,000. But if Bitcoin actually break $19,600, the massive run is going to Bitcoin, and I think the $23,000 is going to be next resistance for Bitcoin. And if I show you Ethereum at the moment, Ethereum is really looks bullish, but the thing is, what do we have in here? The $625 for Ethereum is working as a resistance. If Ethereum, as I have got this chart in here, actually, as you can see, the $620 for Ethereum is actually it's a really important resistance for Ethereum to break it to the upside. If Ethereum break this one to the upside, if Ethereum actually break the $620 to the upside, it's going to be massive run to the upside. Not even the $670 can stop Ethereum. I think the next one is going to be around the $800. I'm expecting if Ethereum actually pass 620, I think actually Ethereum easily can go to about the $800 in the next few weeks. All the cryptocurrency market at the moment in green, actually they are all of them actually they are working really great at the moment, even XRP and XLM. If we go and check the Bitcoin dominance as well together, what we can see in here, Bitcoin dominance is struggling to break the upside again. I told you, as you can see, this flash this arrows actually on yellow. I told you after this area I'm expecting a break to the downside, which is about this area. As you can see, the shadow of the Bitcoin dominance is came down to this area. I told you maybe after that the Bitcoin dominance is going to push back to the upside to this area and go back to the sideways, and we are going to see a bigger drop on Bitcoin dominance, and the odds that are going to be parabolic against Bitcoin. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you have found the video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and see you guys tomorrow.